Hey, Scott Hylton, Scott Talks. We're talking about seasonal maintenance. That means you do it every season. As soon as the first day of spring hits, like now, you change these guys out. And then the first day of summer, the first day of winter, and fall, and all that, blah, blah, blah. So that's 3 months. This is a 3-month filter. And you do this because it gets dirty. I'm not trying to catch rats. And we do have a cat, which could be a problem. I should be using probably the box version. But I'm going to wrap up these flat ones and get the box version later. They do attract little gnats and things too that stick to them. So that's fewer gnats in the house. And they go on the corners of the garage because there are openings there that you want to catch things that come in before they get in the house. Now I've already done it, but pull the trash can away. Put the new sticker down here on the corner. And the roach thing to catch any roaches, and you can see the light coming through. Easy for bugs to get into. And the other side's the same way. I'll put the trash can back. Hopefully the kitty gets in the garage. That's good. Well, I have a lot of rubbing alcohol to rub on someone's paws to use as a solvent to get the glue off. Alrighty, both sides. And that's every 3 months. So you're doing it with the filters for 3 months, seasonal. You know, someone says first day of spring, boom. That's what you do. And at the other side of the garage door, plenty of room for little critters to come through on these sides. Gotta catch them. Make sure you get your airflow right. We've got it over here. It goes up, 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 up. 3-month filter. Let's date it. Either shelf's fine. And now we're going to use this to rinse out the piping. Take the top off. A squirt of this orange palm olive kills bacteria. Use the orange stuff. We're going to put some warm water in it and pour it in. About a cup. That'll do. All right, my funnel has tape over the hole to keep spiders out. I got bit one time when I was at work and I had a funnel, something like that. The spider, I rinsed it out, spider ran out and bit me. I'll let that air out and put it away. This one, the air is going to go up, but we're going to write it on this side because I have to see it. This house outside is the other filter. It brings in air from the outside. You set your thermostat for about 5 minutes of fresh air every hour, and something like that. And you get fresh air in, it keeps the carbon monoxide from building up just in case. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything. Bye. The Ecobee for thermostat to show you how that outside ventilation works. Settings, schedule, there's our schedule. That's the Siri thing. Where'd it go? There it is. Vacation, reminders, settings. All the different sensors, HVAC. There's ventilator. That's from the outside. 5 minutes. Okay, sorry about that. 5 minutes. See, ventilator, 5 minutes per hour. Unoccupied minutes, runtime, 5 minutes per hour. Free cooling, disabled. That's if it's cold outside, I guess. Just blow in the cold air from the outside. We're not worried about that. Open the door for the cat. That gives us free cold air. All righty. So 5 minutes of outside air. That's the deal. And this is an Ecobee. Nice thermostat. We got an app for it. We can check and raise things, but we usually, every season, we change the adjustments. I don't know if my wife's changed it yet, but you've got your heat and your cold. And it's a clean house. It says it's clean because we got a nice new filter in there, right? Heat, cold, automatic. That's what we like usually. So, cool. That's our Ecobee. Comfort setting for home, away, sleep, we just keep it on home. System mode, automatic, heat and cold, In case it gets a cold night, even Florida gets cold nights, at least in the spring. Just perfect temperature in the winter, in the summer. It does get cold in the winter though. We have had frost here in Ocala, Florida. So it gives you, don't have any sensors running, do we? Yeah, we do. We have two. Inside the house somewhere, in the bedroom, I remember that. Don't pay much attention to it, do we? 75. Doors open for the cat. Yeah. All right. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything. Have a great day. Bye.